The one time I stood on the forest floor in India with a wild tiger and nobody else was there. The thing that the tiger did that was so unnerving, and again, a tiger's back is, they're so much bigger than you think. It's like 4 jaguars. They're so big. She wouldn't look at me. And it was terrifying because now I'm going to do this to you. She would look over there, then she would look like this. She'd look like that, and never eye contact. But it was like, you're as important to me as a stick. And, when you see 2 fighters square up and it's all about the eye contact and everything, trust me, you look through a person. You pretend they're not even there. That tiger insulted me on such a profound and disarming level that I never forgot it. It was just like you matter as much as a sparrow. You're just not one of the things that I care about. She just was looking around and carried on doing it. And she was like, I'm going to walk this way. And I was just like, holy shit, I'm going to run.
Yeah.
It was just profound insignificance from this god of an animal with paws the size of dinner plates. And it was like, man, if she does, I don't want her to look at me, because if she looks at me, I'm going to probably,
That's the end.
That's the end.
Yeah, it just shows how much more powerful she is. That's probably the most terrifying animal on Earth.
Yeah.
Yeah,
and the rock, paper, scissors of land predators. I think like polar bear and tiger got to be the most scary.
Yeah, polar bear.
Polar bear is pretty scary.
You don't fuck with a polar bear.
I don't think they're as fast as tigers, but I don't think you're going to go fast on the ice.
Yeah.
But I mean, like a tiger, it's like you can't outrun it. If you climb a tree, they climb better than you. If you get in a car, they could smash through the door. It's like, no matter, if a tiger decides it wants you, pretty much nothing. But even if you had a gun, even if you had like a 9mm, it ain't going to stop a tiger that wants you.